Jamyang Khyentse Wangpo 1820–1892 was a major treasure revealer, the last of the Five Sovereign Tertons, and one of the most eminent masters of the 19th century. Jamyang Khyentse was born in the region of Yaru Khyungchen, East Tibet, and from an early age his intelligence grew so keen he was able to master reading, writing without any difficulty. At 21, he received full ordination from Minling Khenchen Rigdzin Zangpo. In all, he had more than 150 teachers, who were great masters from all four major schools. He studied with masters from every authentic tradition of practice, with an unbroken lineage which existed at that time in the land of snows, but especially the so-called Eight Chariots. He also developed unsurpassable qualities of experience and realization through perfecting the practice of meditation.